The Little Tikes Jump and Slide Bouncer is an inflatable play area designed for children aged 3 to 8 years, providing a large, fun-filled space for bouncing and sliding. This bouncer is not just a source of fun but also promotes healthy physique among children, making it an ideal playtime companion. Equipped with a heavy-duty blower with a GFCI outlet, this inflatable bouncer offers safety by detecting dangerous ground faults and turning off power to prevent any potential shocks. The Little Tikes Jump and Slide Bouncer is made of durable polyester and features solid double-stitch seams, ensuring it can withstand wear and tear for long-lasting use. This bouncer inflates and deflates in less than a minute thanks to the high-pressure blower included, and it comes with a carrying case for easy storage. Additional features include mesh closure on the sides for a safe bouncing area, shoe storage, stakes for the bouncer and blower, a repair kit, and an instruction booklet.